Um, Welcome to this presentation. If you get any prompt on your screen asking you if you want this presentation to be recorded, just click on the yes button. So, on this presentation, I am going to be showing you how to trade like you want to be rich using artificial intelligence. I'm going to be showing you how to trade like you want to be rich with the help of artificial intelligence. So, here is the wicked guide to making $1,000 weekly if you are serious about making money. If you know that you are serious about making money, ensure you stay with this presentation till the end. So, before I get into the nitty-gritty of everything you are going to be discovering on this presentation, I want to sound out something very, very clear. Past result doesn't define future earnings. The past result you are going to be seeing on this presentation doesn't define your future earnings. So your earning potential depends on your ability to follow instructions and being consistent with trading. Some of you are going to fund your trading account and you start asking me why you have not made up to $1,000 in a month or in a week rather. You cannot be making as much money as someone that is much more consistent. So it is going to depend on you and the market conditions as well. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, who this presentation isn't for. So if you think trading is a scam, because there are a lot of people, when I've held presentations like this in the past, and there are some people that would attend this type of presentation, they don't believe in trading, they don't even believe in themselves. But you're going to find out that at the end of the day, they click on every social media post that talks about trading, but they don't believe in it. So if you don't believe in trading, this presentation isn't for you. Or you are the type of person that you have lost money in trading the options market and you have vowed not to put your hand there again. This presentation is not for you. So we are concentrating on trading the options market. There are different type of assets you can trade online. There is there is forex, there's crypto, there's stocks, there's options, there are CFDs, there's different type of assets that can be traded online. However, we are concentrating on the options market in this presentation. So a lot of you have been seeing companies like this online, companies like this, expert options, pocket options, IQ options, Quotex, and the rest of them. A lot of you see adverts, but you don't know what it is all about. Some of you have tried it before and you did not maybe make the best out of it. On this presentation, I am going to be breaking down how you can make the best out of trading on this type of platforms on the options market. Just ensure you stay with me till the end. So the reason why I pick the options market over the forex market is because of the fact that the options market moves quicker than the forex market. Trades are usually concluded within a certain time frame set by you. You can set whatever time frame you want to trade in. It could be 5 seconds, it could be 5 minutes, it could be 3 minutes, it could be 2 minutes. So it is anything in between 5 seconds and 5 minutes. Unlike forex, whereby you are going to enter a trade and you don't even know when it is going to end. You don't know when the price will get to your take profit or get to your stop loss. You don't even know what's going to happen, and you might be keeping your trades overnight and your broker is going to be charging you. We don't do that over here. Options market is not like that. So you can easily take advantage of sharp moves in the market, which is called scalping. Any little move you can easily counter it, you can easily enter it and take your profits. So the return on investment when it comes to the options market is usually crazier than the forex market. In fact, you can never find anything like that anywhere. The return on investment per winning trade is over 85% to 90% whenever you are trading the options market. If you look at the right hand side of my screen where I'm circling my mouse, you can see that the dashboard is telling me that if I were to trade with $250, my profit if I win the trade should be about $212, which is about 85%. That is how crazy the options market is. Are you with me? Unlike the forex market, that before you can even double or even have 50% of your money, you would have traded. This one you can make it on a single trade. You can make it on a single trade. Are you with me? So when it comes to the options market, you are not trading with lot size, you are trading with actual money. When it comes to forex, you can fund $100, you can fund $1,000. When it's time to place trade, you are going to be seeing things like 0.01, 0.02, 0.000. All those things are very, very confusing. It is not beginner friendly, and I don't like it. Nobody likes it. So with the options market, you are trading with real money. If you want to enter the market with $20, boom. If you have a capital of let's say $200 and you want to enter with 10%, that's $20. You want to risk $20, you can type it there. As you can see, I put $250 here. So it's not like the forex market where you're putting 0.1. No, no, it's not like that. Are you with me? So on this presentation, here is what you are going to discover. You are going to be discovering why most traders easily blow their accounts. You are going to also understand the formula for trading growth using AI. When I say the reason why a lot of traders easily blow their accounts is because that is one of the things that is plaguing a lot of traders in a lot of traders in whatever market, either it is crypto, options, forex. People easily blow their accounts. Are you with me? And the truth is that if you can keep your accounts long enough, you are going to be able to learn quicker, and the chances of you being a profitable trader is very, very high. So if I can show you why a lot of traders are blowing their accounts, you can go into the market with confidence and know exactly what you are doing. I'm also going to be showing you the formula for trading growth using AI and why funding big is very, very smart. I would also be showing you the sustainable way to trade the options market using artificial intelligence. All these things sound like as if it's PhD. Don't worry. This is not university, this is not school. I promise you, I will break all these things down into a molecular level that you are going to be so happy that you attended this presentation. So let us start with the first thing. Why do traders easily blow their trading accounts? Why do traders easily blow their trading accounts? So I'm going to be starting with this. Since the rise of artificial intelligence, I'm entering this topic with what is happening in our generation. Since the rise of artificial intelligence, a lot of traders have been looking at trading bots and trading AI as an holy grail. Some people think that once they throw their money at AI, they throw their money at bots, they will see adverts online, use these bots. As far as they put their money there, they think the AI is going to do everything for them. It doesn't work that way, please. It does not work that way at all, at all, at all. So the truth bomb is this. The truth bomb is that AI cannot save an underfunded account. If you are trading with $10, you are trading with $2, you are trading with $3, you are wasting your time. A lot of people want to be trading forex, trading options, trading assets online with money they cannot even use to buy one carton of gala. You don't do that. I know there are a lot of people online that they just want to sell you their AI, they want to sell you their robots. Some of their robots are good, but they know that you need a lot of money. That is why they will not tell you that. They will not tell you that, so you will not be discouraged in buying the bot. They will not tell you. AI bots cannot save an underfunded account. You are going to be relying so much on luck before you can make anything tangible from it. So you need to understand that bots are tools. They are not miracles. They are tools, and you are supposed to have enough resources to ensure that your tools work properly. You need to have enough resources to ensure that your tools work properly. Let me just give you an example. Just like a power generator, it cannot run long enough without enough petrol. Just think about it. It cannot run long enough without enough petrol. If you put 200 naira petrol, you cannot expect your generator to last as long as someone that is filling up their tank. How much is 1 liter now? About 900 and something naira or so, or even higher. And you are buying 200 naira petrol. What do you want to use it for? Are you with me? Some people will be thinking that yes, even if you use your petrol on your generator, at least the petrol will still finish. But here is the thing. The thing is that you have converted your petrol into productivity, you have converted it into efficiency. You have used that same petrol to pump water. You have watched TV. You have done your assignment. You have done assignment for your children. You have used it to blend pepper. You have used that same generator. The fuel you put inside that same generator, you have used it for longevity, for power. You have used it for every single thing that you can use it to do. You have already converted that energy to something else, to something productive. That is how using AI are. Your AI is like your generator. It is like your power generator. Is like your it is you understand what I'm saying? It is like your generator. You just use your funds. You put your funds in there, and you are going to use your AI to make something out of it. Are you with me? It is. Let me just give you another example. You cannot expect to buy as much ingredients or as much materials as somebody that is taking 100,000 naira to the market, and you that are taking 1,000 naira to the market. Someone that is taking 100,000 naira will be able to buy soup, buy meat, buy rice, buy this one. But you with a 1,000 naira, what do you want to do? You are going to see a lot of traders online flexing, flexing, flexing. Some of them are profitable. Those ones that are profitable, I kid you not, trust me when I say it, they are not trading with 1,000 naira. They are not trading with $10. Are you with me? So this AI that you are seeing, they are tools. They are not miracles. You are supposed to use them with sense. You have to use them wisely. Are you with me? So stay with me. You need to understand that even the best bots need enough capital to manage drawdowns and follow strategy. Even the best bots in the world, even the ones on Wall Street, you go to Wall Street, you go to New York, where all the traders are, where all the big institutions are, they're not using $10 to trade. Are you with me? So you need to understand that no matter how good the strategy of your bots, the market is dynamic in nature. The options markets, whatever asset you are trading, the options market, the forex market, they are dynamic in nature. So any random event that occurs, it is going to shake the market. You need to understand this. So let me just give you an example. Let's say that gold has been going down, gold has been going down, gold has been going down, and you yourself, you position yourself, you also sell gold on your broker account, on your MetaTrader 4, your MetaTrader 5. You start selling gold, and because it's going down, you expect that the money will continue coming, and you just see that one day you wake up and President Trump has already started war with another country. What do you think is going to happen to gold? A lot of people, because of the fact that they want to store their capital, they want to buy something that is going to hold their capital, they will start buying gold. Before you know it, gold has already changed direction, and you are selling, but it has started buying. It has started going up, but you are expecting it to go down. Before you know it, you have started losing some money. It could even be that Putin has started another war with Ukraine, or maybe Nigeria and USA have started fighting. Nigeria and Cameroon. Something can just happen that will just make people buying gold. It's same thing with Bitcoin. Same thing with another currency. If another country is beating another country, people will buy more of that currency. And let's say you are selling the other currency, you will start losing money. So you need to understand that the market is very dynamic in nature. No matter the type of strategy you are using, no matter the type of market analysis you've done, anything can happen in the market. And you need to understand that the only thing that can help your account is if you have a sizable account. If your account is not small, if you're not using peanuts to trade, if you're not using gala money, money you are going to use to buy bread and akara, you're not using $10, $20 to be trading. Are you with me? If you're not, if $20 is not your capital, you are going to be able to withstand all this type of change in markets. So if you don't have enough capital, your account will not be able to survive before the market is able to recover. So this one thing I need you to understand. The market will always recover. It will always recover. Most of the time, it will always recover. So if the market goes one direction and it blows your account, it now continues going the direction. If you are selling and it goes to another direction, once it come back, you have already blown your account. You cannot keep on making money. So let me just explain what I just said to you now. There's something we call drawdown and recovery. Drawdown and recovery. So drawdown is when something happens in the market, something unprecedented, something that happens out of the blue, something like when Donald Trump should announce war, or the Federal Reserve should close their economy, or something just happens. So a drawdown is when the market starts doing nonsense, and a recovery is when the market goes back on track. So what you can see on your screen right now, don't worry, we are not saying anything technical here, just stay with me. So what you can see on your screen right now is a good market, is when there's no trouble in the market, everything is going well. So if you can see, this market has a pattern. Look at, it goes down here. Once it has touched this place, it comes back up here. It goes down here. It comes back up here. Just continues doing like that. It is trending, and it is trending in a sensible pattern. So any bot that you are using to analyze the market will tell you to open a sell order here. Look at where my mouse is. it will tell you to open a sell order here, and once the market should get here, it will tell you to close your position. Once you've closed it, it will tell you to buy. So anytime you hear buy, it will tell you that means that you were expecting the market to go up, and look at it went up. So once it gets here, you will take your profit again. Then once you've taken your profit, you will now sell again. It will now come down here. So you just keep on doing it. You'll just be eating your money, eating your money. Now, let me explain what a drawdown is to you. This is a normal market condition. So this is what drawdown looks like. Let's say you have already mapped out how the market structure is. So let's say you buy here, and once it gets here, you take your profit, you now sell again. You sell again. Let's say maybe because it did not get here, you just take your profit and you buy again. Let's even say you wait till it gets here. You take your profit, you buy again, it gets here. Once you are now selling, selling, we are expecting the market to go down. Buying, we are expecting it to go up. So once it sells, once you start selling here, you are now going. You get here, you now take your profit, you now open another buy, expecting the market to go up again. Expecting it to go up, but once you open buy, it will not start continue going down. And you're just wondering what's going on. Let me just tell you something. Those of you that are using bread and akara money you're supposed to be using to be feeding your pets at home, your dog, your cat, you're using it to trade. All of you will get wiped out when the market goes down like this. You will be blowing your account. You will lose all the money that you are using to trade. But for someone like you, that if you enter the market with good money, with strong capital, just know that even if the market should go down like this, if there's a drawdown like this, at the end of the day, there will still be a recovery. Look at, can you see it? There was a drawdown here, but at the end of the day, it still recovered. It still went up. Even if it did not go the same pattern, but you are going to see that it still continue following the same pattern after a while. So this is what trading is. Trading is you having enough capital so that you can resist anything in the market. Imagine somebody that is trading with $1 million now. Let's say that the market goes down like this. Let's say they are minus $10,000. Before you know it will come here. They will not even feel it. But for you that you are trading with $10, $20, when it gets here like this, you will blow your account. Your broker will just close your account and they will pursue you away. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Nobody does that. Nobody will do that to you. Anyways, I hope you understand what drawdown and recovery is. I hope you do understand that. So, like I said earlier, if you are using tiny capital, recovery will be left to chance or luck. You might never ever recover. You might blow that account. Are you with me? However, if you are trading with smart capital, you can easily bounce back and recover from any drawdown in the market. You can easily bounce back and recover from any drawdown in the market. So there's no particular person that will tell you that you will trade and you will never have a drawdown. It's not possible. It is not possible because there are always unforeseen circumstances. There are always unprecedented things that are happening in the market, things that you can never ever see coming. Whoever saw it coming that 9/11 was going to happen, that the Twin Towers would have been blown in the United States. Nobody would have seen some kind of things happening. Nobody sees plane crash happening. Nobody sees war coming. Sometimes, do you understand? You cannot see when Syria and Israel is fighting, or Syria or another country. So when all these things happen, they change the direction of the market, and you need to have enough capital so that you yourself can withstand the drawdown and you understand what I'm saying, the drawdown in the market. So I'm going to be continuing with the formula for trading growth using AI. The formula for trading growth using AI and why funding big is smarter. So I believe from all what I've said already, you should already understand why funding big is usually smart when it comes to trading. So why do you need to fund with serious money? Why? Because it gives you the strategy, it gives your strategy breathing room. It gives your strategy breathing room. So either you are using bots to trade, you are using bots to trade, you are trading manually, you are using bots to analyze, you are using whatever it is, even if you are doing it manually, if you fund your account properly, it lets your strategy run better. Some of you will be asking that, what does this mean? The meaning is that, let's say, for example, you are coaching a team and you give them 4-3-3 formation. You are coaching a football team. Let's say Man United, Barcelona, Real Madrid. you are their coach, then you are using 4-3-3 because you have 11 players. You are using 4-3-3 formation or 4-2-3-1, whatever formation you are using. Let's just say 4-3-3. Even if that formation is very good, that doesn't mean you're not going to concede any goal. You might concede 1 goal, 2 goals, 3 goals. But if you know that you have a solid formation and you have solid players as well, you have a solid formation, you have solid players, you can always turn that thing around. It can always turn around for you and you can come back and win the game. So that means that's the meaning of strategy. So now that the strategy breathing room is the fact that you have 90 minutes to play that football game. There's nothing like, oh, once they scored you 3, go home. You are not no need for you to be equalizing. Nothing like that. Even if they are beating you 3 goals, you can still score 3 goals and score an extra and win the match 4-3. That is how strategy is. So if you have strategy breathing room, you have 90 minutes to play. If you can give yourself more money, you can fund with more capital, you have good breathing room for your strategy. You won't have to panic at the slightest sign of drawdown, pullback, or loss. And you can always survive bad weeks, and you are going to be thriving longer in the markets. You are going to survive bad weeks and you will thrive long term in the market. So here is the power of proper capitalization. If you look at the chart on the right hand side of your screen, the red place, you're going to realize that this is a $20 account. If you have one bad cycle, even if you've been winning, if you have one bad cycle, there's a very big chance that you will not be able to recover from it. Are you seeing it? If you have one bad cycle, there's no room for a recovery. That means that your account is blown. You have insufficient capital to buffer. But if let's say with this same strategy, with the same market conditions, the same bot you are using, it can easily absorb the drawdown. Are you seeing it? Same bad cycle that this one experienced, you can easily absorb the drawdown, recover, and you are going to be in profit. You can absorb the drawdown, you can recover from it and be in profit at the end of the day. That is because you have funded your account adequately. I hope you are following me. Yes. So you need to understand that bots and artificial intelligence are smart, but they are not magicians. You need to give them capital for them to do their work. You need to give them capital so that they can work the way they are built to work. So that is why compounding is easier with proper funding. Compounding is easier with proper funding. So let me just show you how your capital can rapidly increase when you fund and trade properly. I'm going to be showing you an example but before I do that, I want to ask some of you, do you know what compounding is? If you know what compounding, okay, instead of me wasting time, I'm going to be telling you what compounding is all about. So compounding basically means when you take the profits you made from a trade, you enter a trade, you made some profit, then you take that profit and add it to your capital and use it to trade again. So I have a particular rule of thumb that you should be entering the market with 10% of your capital. If your capital is $500, you enter the market with $50, that's 10% of your capital. Let's say you enter the market with $50, and like I said, the return on investment when it comes to trading options is about 80 something percent, 87%, 90%. Are you with me? So if you enter the market with, let's say, $50, your return will be like $43. So now that you have $43 profit, if you take that $43 profit and add it to your initial $500 capital, you are going to have $543. So that $543, compounding it means that you take the whole money and use it to do another trade, use it to enter another trade. You take 10% of it. Let me just explain it better for you. So this is what compounding means. Compounding at 87% ROI per trade on a $500 account if you risk 10% of your trade. So I want you to understand something. The market is not one directional. I am just giving you an example of the type of thing you can expect when you are trading the options market. So let's say that you are entering the market with $500 and you are willing to risk $10 per trade. So if you were to use $50, 10% of $500 is about $50, and your return on investment is about $87 for every winning trade. So once you won the first trade, your return on investment is about $43.5. Let's just say $43. So if you decide to take this $43 and you add it to your initial capital, you are going to have $543. I hope you are with me. If you were to win your first trade of $50 and the money you now have is $43 in profit, if you add that money to your $500, this is what compounding is right here. You now have $543 to trade with. If you enter the market with 10% of that, your $543, that is going to be $54. I'm just rounding it up. I don't want to confuse you. I'm rounding it up. So 10% of this $543 is 10% of it is $54. So if you win the trade again, now the money you have made in profit is $46.98. So if you take that $46.98 and you add it to the money that you already have, that is, you already have $543, and you add your new profits, you are now going to have $590. If you do that again, this is called compounding. 10% of this is $59. If you make another money again, $51, you take it and you add it. This is what compounding means. So when you are funding properly, it is very, very easy for you to make a lot of money. It is very, very easy for you to make a lot of money. When I said $1,000 in a week, I wasn't joking. If you know what you are doing, you can make it. Let us even say you are not funding up to $500. Let's say you are starting with $200. I'll make this quick. Let's say you are entering, you have a capital of $200. If you are risking 10%, which is $20, for every single trade, which is about $87 per one trade, you are going to be getting $17 return on investment. You are now going to add it to the initial $200. That is $217. You now use the same $217 to enter the market again. So you just keep on doing it. Before you know it, within three trades, you had just $200, you now have $257. Can you see the spirit of compounding? Can you see how good compounding is? Compounding is one of the sweetest things that I've ever tasted. Although there are some people that any money they make, like they will withdraw it. That is not a very, very smart way of making a lot of money in the market, but you can do whatever it is that you want. You can do anything. You can withdraw at any time. Are you with me? That is why I love the options market. This is not an investment scheme where you have to lock your money down for 30 days. This is not an investment scheme. Are you with me? So there will be drawdowns because the market is dynamic in nature. I've told you already. Don't look at this one and say that, oh, you will just continue trading and you will never lose. It's not possible. There will be one or two trades that you are going to lose. There will be some trades you will lose. But if you follow our risk management guide, once you join our VIP channel, we are going to share our risk management guide with you. You will know how to handle all these things. And I've told you what keeps you afloat is proper funding. What keeps you afloat is proper funding. This is why I'm shouting proper funding. Are you with me? So this is how I and our VIP members have been able to make profit and withdrawals in the options market. So here is Benjamin Fadikpe. This is I like this man very well. So he was telling me one day, I finally upgraded my account to $215. I now understand why you discourage us from funding low amount. You see what I've been telling all of you. He said, now I understand why you discourage us from funding low amount. He said, I built $13, like he funded $13. He said, I built that $13 to $45, but I later blew the account when there was drawdown. Are you seeing this? He said he built his account from $13 to $45, but he later blew the account when there was drawdown. Then once he saw that it was very easy to blow his account once you fund very little money, even with our risk management guide, he now went to go and fund $215. Me, I just told him I never want anybody to learn the hard way, but I am so glad that you finally understand. Let's make some money. If you look at this screenshot, you are going to realize that the same day, look at the time, the same day, he sent me this screenshot. Look at, he said, bro, I'm already making a comeback small. I used some of the signals from the afternoon and evening session, and this is for the latest trade. Are you seeing this? This is not even the whole compounded amount. This is just for a single trade, one of like his latest profit. Now imagine what he has made just from 2 sessions, afternoon session and evening session. This is how we roll in the Agora AI VIP channel. So let me show you another person. So this is Lovett. Lovett said, my helper, come and see you. I made $510 on a single trade from this afternoon session. I've been steadily compounding since I joined the VIP channel. I've pushed this so much that I can now open these big trades like you, sir. Are you seeing this? From a single trade, she made $510. Not even what I was showing you earlier, where you are going to be compounding small, small. She has done it to the extent that from a single trade, she's able to make $510. Are you seeing how crazy this is? And this is the same lady that before she even joined, she was asking me that she just kept on disturbing me. I hope a newbie can do this. She kept on asking me, I've never traded before. Can a newbie do this? I say, yes, madam. Yes, madam. As far as you watch the videos we send to you and you follow our risk management guide, you will be able to do this. So when it comes to options trading, leave it for me, leave it for us. When it comes to options trading, like I told you, fund properly and use our risk management guide. You are going to be wild. Are you with me? So here's another person. He said, I've pushed my account to another limit. I entered this trade with $3,000 for the late night session. I entered this trade with $3,000. This person, I don't want to show the person's name, is a very popular person. That's why I don't want to show his name. But I remember he just initially, not even initially, he just moved his account to $4,000. That is, he has been compounding. And when he told me that he traded with $3,000, I was very, very surprised. I said, please stick to the risk management template. I know that at the end of the day, some of you like all these apropos to be jumping. Oh my Emambe. Do you understand? So even if the signals are doing very well, please try as much as possible to stick with the risk management template. I still congratulated him, but at the end of the day, I know that he shouldn't have done that. So please, once you join, don't do something like this. So here is Moshood as well. He told me that, boss, withdrawals now water for my side, though. Thank you very much. Your light will keep shining. He said, please send account details. Let me drop something for you, sir. And he also told me that he wants to invite one of his friends to be added to the VIP channel. This is how we grow so big. There are a lot of people that are telling their friends about us, and there are people that are sending me money. This is how I'm being appreciated for my effort. So here is how we roll in the VIP channel. So I have other users in the VIP channel that are doing well, that are doing enormously well as well. People making money left and right, people steadily printing in the VIP, and we are making money. So if you want me to show you the AI that we use to generate profitable signals in the VIP channel, I want you to go ahead and type yes in the comment section. I want you to go ahead and type yes in the comment section. If you want me to show you the AI that we use to generate profitable signals in the VIP channel, I want you to type yes in the comment section. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I can see your yes. I can see even if it's one person that is typing yes. As far as at least I have somebody that is following me. Awesome, 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 awesome. So without further ado, let us continue. Without further ado, let us continue. So I want to introduce each and every one of you to the Agora Artificial Intelligence Robots, the Agora AI, the Agora Advanced Intelligence Trading Robot. So this AI is able to give out real-time market scanning, is able to give out smart trading signals, is able to give out up to 60 signals in a day with high probability setups and artificial intelligence based strategy optimization. That is why we call it the Agora AI. The Agora AI. So the Agora AI uses the moving average to analyze the market and give signals in the Agora VIP channel automatically on a daily basis. It uses the help of machine learning and big data that enables it to read and predict the direction of the market within a particular time frame in order to supply signals to the VIP channel. Are you with me? So, like I said earlier, this AI gives out about 60 signals daily with accuracy as high as 95%. Over 60 signals in a day with accuracy as 95, as high as 95%. So we usually have about 5 sessions in a day. We have the morning session, which starts at around 8 a.m. That's 8 o'clock in the morning. We have the afternoon session. We have the evening session. We have the late night session. And we have the midnight session. Morning, afternoon, evening, late night, and midnight. So for those of you that are on this presentation that are saying, I don't want to trade myself, or I don't have time for it. If you cannot trade in the morning and afternoon, there is evening and late night. If you cannot trade in the evening or late night, you can trade in the midnight. If you cannot trade in all those dark times, you can trade in the morning or afternoon. Are you with me? Even if you have children you are taking care of, you have whatever it is that you are doing that is taking your time, you still have the opportunity to trade whenever you are free. Even if you are at work and your free time, you can go ahead and trade the market with our high accuracy signals. So this AI, the Agora AI, is being used on the options market. So the options market, you can trade it 24/7, Mondays to Sunday. That is one thing it has over the Forex market, that you can only trade it from Mondays to Friday. Are you with me? You can trade it 24/7, Mondays to Sunday. So this means that you can trade it in your free time, and the trades are decided within the time frame you set for it. So like I said earlier, you can trade the options market, whatever signal, between 5 seconds to 5 minutes in that time frame. If you don't want your trades to be more than 3 minutes, you can set it. If you don't want it to be more than 2 minutes or 1 minute, just set it. There are settings on how to do all those things. So this means that there's no panicking for hours like the Forex market. In the Forex market, you open a trade, it will be in loss for hours. It will be in loss for days. You don't even know when it's going to close. As it is in loss, your broker is still even charging you. They are charging you, they are charging you, you are charging. You don't even know when the charging is going to end. Are you with me? So that is those are the advantages that I love the options market against the Forex market. And again, the Forex market is highly manipulatable. They manipulate it a lot, unlike the options market. So here's an example of the type of signals that you're going to be getting on the VIP channel. This is not something you are supposed to concern yourself with at the moment, except until you get to the VIP channel. This is not something, but I just want to show you the type of signals that you're going to be getting and be using to trade. This is we get something like this 60 times a day, sometimes 65 times. That is how crazy it is. So once you get to the VIP channel, you're going to be getting videos and materials on how to make money with this type of signals. Don't be scared. Don't say that it's your first time. Don't say you've never traded before. We're going to guide you. Don't worry. You have videos and you have risk management templates that is going to help you earn like people like Mr. Benjamin Fadikwe, Lovett, Moshood, and all these people that I showed you that are high earners. I mean high earners. So in order to use this AI, there are 3 tiers. In order to use this AI, there are 3 tiers. We have 3 different tiers. In order to use this AI, you are going to be joining the VIP channel. And to join the VIP channel, there are 3 basic tiers. There are 3 basic tiers to use the AI. So the first tier is the Alpha package, which means that you have to register and fund your account with $100 or more. You need to fund your options account with our recommended options broker with $100 or more. We also have the Sniper package, and you also have to register an account with our recommended broker and fund your account with $200 or more. And thirdly, we have the Odogu package, where you need to fund your account with $500 or more, $500 or more, the Alpha package, Sniper package, and the Odogu package. So what do you get once you fund $100 into your account? This is for the Alpha package. You are going to be added to the VIP channel immediately. Once you have signed up and funded your account, you send us a screenshot of the funding. We are going to ask you for your user ID. So we are going to be adding you to the VIP channel immediately. You are going to be getting video explanation on how to take trades on the VIP channel. It's very, very important. We are not just going to dump you inside there and expect you to know everything. We don't do that. We want people that are going to be trading for a very long time. Are you with me? And there's a reason for that. So we are going to be explaining to you on how to take trades on the VIP channel. We are also going to be giving you a secret code that will give you 100% deposit bonus. So once you fund your trading account, we are going to give you a particular code that will give you 100% deposit bonus. That means that once you fund $100, you are going to be getting an extra $100 that you are going to be using to trade. Please, this deposit bonus, you can't withdraw it immediately. You can use it to trade and make a lot of money, but you cannot withdraw it immediately. The money you can withdraw is the money you funded yourself. So this 100% deposit bonus is to help you trade the market. Don't forget, I told you proper funding is very, very important. Are you with me? That is why I was able to speak with the broker and they gave us this 100% deposit bonus code to give to each and every one of you that funds the account with $100 or more. Are you with me? So you are going to be getting access to over 60 trades a day. That is 5 trading sessions. Like I said earlier, morning, afternoon, evening, late night, and midnight. You're going to be getting access to over 60 trades a day. And you are going to be getting lifetime access to our VIP channel, guaranteed. Once you join our VIP channel, nobody's chasing you away. You need to understand that. Lifetime VIP channel access, and you will get access to our basic risk management template. So all the things you need to do in order to sustain your money, all the rules you need to follow in order to sustain your money and last longer in the market so that you can make the best out of it. You are going to be getting our risk management template immediately once you join the VIP channel by funding your account with $100 or more. So here is a banner of the Alpha package. If you are using a mobile phone, you can take a screenshot of it. This is what you're going to be getting in the Alpha package. You can take a screenshot of it. And to get started, all you need to do is to go to this website and sign up. Even if you cannot click on it, you can just copy it down. You can take a screenshot of this, put this in your website browser, and sign up for the broker. So once you've done that, you can send me a message on Telegram. You can send me a message on Telegram. After this session, I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp line as well. So you can send me a message here. You can take a screenshot of this. If you're using a laptop, you can snap your screen and we go from there. So what are you going to get for funding $200? This is the Sniper package. What are you going to be getting for funding $200 or more? So everything that I mentioned in the Alpha package, once you fund $200, you are going to be getting everything that I've mentioned in the Alpha package, plus live trading sessions with the Agora experts once a day. You are going to be getting access to live trading sessions aside from the signals that are being dropped on the channel, which are lovely. You are going to be coming online as well to trade live with trading experts once a day. So you can trade live with us once a day and you can trade the remaining sessions on your own. So we usually use it to encourage newbies and things like that. Are you with me? So you are also going to have access to our trading challenge giveaways. Don't forget, you are going to be getting access to our trading challenge giveaway. This is to help you guys. Like I told you, I love proper funding. So if you can join our VIP channel with $200, that is, you are going to fund. Don't forget, you are not paying it to us. This is money you are using to trade for yourself. You're not sending it to anybody. You are putting it in your broker account. So you're going to have access to our trading challenges. We usually do giveaways like the best flipper, someone that could flip his account by 100%. Let's say you have a $200 account and you are able to turn it to $400 in the space of a day or two. We can give the person that did that, we can just give them money, we can give them $100. And let's say the person that makes the most money, the best flipper is always different from the most money. Somebody can be trading with $5,000 and they will make $3,000 in a day. So you made $3,000, you are different from someone that flipped their account by 100%. Someone that is trading with $200 and flipped their account to $400. They did a 100% flip. Yes, you made more money than them, you that made 3,000, but you did not flip your account by 100%. Do you understand? So we do things like that. We also do things like person with the best storytelling. Let's say you make some money and you use it to sponsor a child's school fees, you give money to the motherless baby home. We are going to also do giveaway for you. It's not going to be for everybody, please. Just one people, once, one. We use this to encourage people to keep trading. So this is what you are going to be getting for the sniper package. If you are with your mobile phone, go ahead and take a screenshot. Go ahead and take a screenshot. This is what you are going to be getting in the sniper package for $200 and above funding. So you're going to be getting everything in the alpha package. Don't forget, you're also going to be getting the code to get 100% deposit bonus. That means that if you fund $200, you are going to be getting an extra $200, making $400. You are going to be getting an extra $200 to support your trading. Are you with me? So you are going to be getting all these things. You can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot and you can also go to this link. Go ahead and sign up for a broker account. Once you've done that, you can send me a message at Wisdom Trades option. This is my Telegram handle. I'm still going to show you my WhatsApp number at the end of this presentation. So you can send me a message here and we will get you started. I will add you to the VIP channel immediately and you're going to get access to all the things listed in this package. So for the last one, which is the Odogu package, if you are going to be funding $500 or more, here is the things you are going to be getting. So you can do a trade for me request. If you fund $500, you can trigger a trade for me request. You can ask us to trade for you if you are funding $500 or more. Please, I want you to note that this is not for everyone. This is not for everyone because there are some terms and conditions that are applied to this. If you are the type of person that you have, your expectations are not realistic. You're expecting us to turn your $500 to $10 million in 3 days. All those type of things, we don't like it. Or you are the type of person that you expect that there's not going to be any loss. It's not possible. Anytime when it comes to trading, there is always loss. So you need to understand that type of thing. So it is not for everyone. You are going to have access to trade for me requests where a Agora AI trading expert can trade for you if you want them to. You'll be the first to get access to our new tools, our new indicators, and our AI updates. You are always going to be the first in line to be updated about our new tools, indicators, and AI updates that are going to help you sustain and boost your trading career. Are you with me? You are also going to be getting a trip to any East African country if you can flip your account to $5,000 using the Agora AI signals. We are going to be granting you a trip. We are going to be sponsoring a trip to any East African country. Any. So I want you to understand something, please. What we are going to be sponsoring is your visa. That is if the East African country expects you to have a visa. If you are going to be paying for it, we are going to pay for that. And your plane ticket to and fro. Your plane ticket to and fro, we are going to be sponsoring that. But your hotels, your day-to-day in the East African country for the whole 5 days, you are going to be living life yourself. You are going to be spending out of your $5,000, at least your money. Are you with me? But the other things like your plane ticket, your visa, and all those things, we are going to sponsor you. But you staying in the hotel, going out, going to club and doing all those things, it is going to be under you. So these are what you are going to get for being under the Odogu package. You are going to have the trade for me request, access to new tools, and trip to East Africa if you can flip your account to $5,000 using the Agora AI signals, using the Agora AI signals. So some of you will be looking at this like, wow, this is crazy. It is only crazy if you take part of it. If you're not going to be taking part of it, it's not going to have any advantage to you in any way possible. Don't be a spectator, be a football player, be a player. Players get paid, spectators are the ones that are being debited. They debit spectators because spectators are coming to watch the athletes. The athletes are getting paid, while spectators are being debited. So in order to get paid in this life, you need to take action. Are you with me? So here is everything you're going to be getting in the Odogu package if you fund $500 or more. Don't forget, you are also going to be getting the secret code to also get the 100% bonus on your account. That means if you are funding $500, you will be boosted to $1,000. That means you are going to get bonus. You're going to get bonus that you can use to trade. Don't forget, you cannot just fund and get bonus and they say you want to withdraw the bonus. It's the money you make from the bonus that you can withdraw. Don't forget that. Are you with me? So you can take a screenshot of this. Don't forget to sign up with this link. Sign up with this link that you can see here and go ahead and send me a message on Telegram. So some of you will be asking that if this AI is giving good signals, why are you giving out these signals for free? Why are you adding people to your VIP channel and eating all this money? And instead of you eating all this money, let me explain something to you. We do not lose money by sharing with others. This is not WAEC, this is not JAMB, this is not NECO. This is not West African exam where if your classroom teacher should catch you that you're copying somebody else, or if they see that everybody copied one person, they will start failing everybody. Forex, I said forex. Trading is not like that. One person can supply 20 billion people signals. If they make money, they make money. If they don't make money, nobody's coming to come and use cane to flog you. So it is not affecting us. You need to understand that. Secondly, we are ambassadors of a few of these brokers, and it is bringing us more prestige when we onboard you. It is making us look good. It is making us look very, very good in front of these brokers. If we onboard you, we were making money. That's why these brokers onboarded us as ambassadors. And if we bring in more people, we are going to look good in front of them as well. And thirdly, we believe that God is always going to replenish us for making people's dreams come true. So if you're in the stage of maybe you want to buy a new car, you want to send your children to good schools, you want to do this, whatever it is you want to do. Are you with me? This is your chance. This is your chance. And we believe that God is going to replenish us for making people's dreams come true. So here are the type of money that is being made from a lot of our users. Here, as you can see on the screen, over $400 withdrawn from IQ Options accounts. If you can look here as well, over $700 withdrawn from IQ Options accounts, over $600 withdrawn from IQ Options accounts by members of my community, by members in the Agora VIP community. So in order to get started, if you want to be like all these people that you are seeing on your screen, you want to be like all of them, use the link below to sign up for an IQ Options account. Use this link to sign up, even if you can't click it. Even if you can't click what you are seeing on your screen, copy it down and put it in your browser and use it to sign up for an account. Use it to sign up for an IQ Options account. If you've had an IQ Options account in the past, send me a message on Telegram and I'll tell you what to do. You have to use your incognito browser. Don't worry, I'll tell you how to do that so that you can get an account that can use the AI. Are you with me? So I want to also remind you that this offer is limited to only 11 people. It is limited to only 11 people. After this after this session, I will be sending this video out to almost everybody, thousands of people that are on the wait list. So if you are watching this live, you are lucky. So this offer is limited to only 11 people. The reason why is because time is money. I understand that time is money. This is so that my team and I can have the time to attend to each and every one of you. We cannot accept everybody. We accept 50 people. How do we want to be attending to them? So we need to we need to bring in people, as little as many people in in batches, so that we know what we are doing. We can instruct you, we can tell you what to do, this and that. Are you with me? So if we have too many people coming in, we won't be able to attend to people in time. So the lesser the better, the lesser the better. And once we have 11 people before the end of 3-5 days, we have shut this down already. So between 3 to 5 days, we will shut this down already. So thank you very much. In case you want to see the packages again, here they are. So you can take a screenshot of this. You can take a quick screenshot of this and we can go from there. You can take a quick screenshot of this and we can go from here. So once you've already decided on the one you want to go to, I like the Odogu package a lot because you are going to have everything you are seeing here. You have everything you are seeing here. You are also going to have the trade forming requests, early access to new tools, trips to any East African country. Therefore, so just use this link to sign up and send me a message on Telegram. So for those of you that you don't really operate Telegram, here is my WhatsApp number. This is my UK WhatsApp number. Send me a message here and I will get you started immediately. Please, when you message me, don't just say hi. Don't just say hello. Tell me hi, I've watched your presentation and I want to get started immediately. I want either the Alpha package or you want the Sniper package or you want the Odogu package. Don't just come and tell me hi, please, please and please. Try your best to get that done. So if you have any questions, send me a message on WhatsApp immediately before all the spaces are filled. Send me a message on WhatsApp, send me a message on Telegram. It's very, very important. Anyone that you didn't fit, you can send me a message so that we can get started. Don't forget, this is a UK number, so don't go and put +234. If you are putting the number, if you are saving the number, make sure it is +44. Make sure it is indicated as UK. Are you with me? So thank you so much. Thank you so much. You guys have been a blessing. I am going to see you on the other side. Ensure you get in before others are able to take the spot that is destined for you. Thank you very, very much, and I'll see you on the other side. I'm expecting your message.